Got 4 trucks dropped off, all from the same Chevy dealers, trade-ins. A little tougher than he said, but they all drive good. Actually, the 2 highest K'd ones drive the nicest and are the nicest. This is 207,000 Ks on a 2020 LTZ, 270 Ks on a 2021 High Country. Obviously it's dirty, just got unloaded off a transport truck. Obviously Duramaxes, 3-liter Duramax. This bumper is a little tougher. It's gonna need a bumper and paint on this quarter panel, but this is a 1500 High Country tailgate. Tires are good. Obviously needs a detail and a little bit of TLC. And then there's another High Country in the shop, 3500 diesel, that needs a bumper. Kind of typical shit for trade-in, but they're all low-hour highway trucks. They're all from the same leasing company. So they'll clean up and they'll make good inventory, especially when we needed it. Inventory's low. I think we got another 10 or 12 trucks in transit. So, good problem to have yourself before we get here, but all this reconditioning is what takes so much time and energy and money.